not think that I was going to be leasing a car today. And I just decided that enough is enough and I need to shit or get off the pot. So I went for it. Did I mention that it has dual sunroof? So that I can drive with the sunroof, which is totally awesome. It's not a convertible, which I did want, but it has a sunroof, which is like second best. The dealership tried to steal my Buick and I got it back. They were gonna pay me $100 for the Buick and I told them that's not acceptable. Because I could donate it at least and make, you know, somebody happy because they'll have a working car. Or I could use it for business purposes or when my sister's here. So I got the Buick back, which I'm very proud of. Check it out. It's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata and it's fully loaded with leather seats. It has a navigational system and dual, what does it have? It has leather seats, it has a navigational system, and it has dual sunroofs. And it's also a turbo engine, so it has 274 horsepower. It's white with black interior and it has a leather padded steering wheel. What I want to say is my spare tire better friggin' be in here, because if it's not, I'm gonna be pissed. Yep, there's a spare tire. There's evidence that there's a spare tire. And look, I get wheel locks. I should probably put those on. And you can probably fit a body in there. And it has an alarm. And it also has this vehicle modification something so that if it were to get stolen, then the car would automatically turn off even if somebody's in the middle of driving it. I don't know how that works, but I guess it saves my car in case it gets stolen.